Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, I will walk you through the manual setup process for the TRENDnet AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender, ensuring a seamless and strong internet connection. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tech guides and troubleshooting tips. Begin by unboxing your TRENDnet AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender. Inside the package, you will find the Wi-Fi extender unit, a quick installation guide for easy setup, and a power adapter to keep the device running. Ensure all components are included before proceeding. Next, plug the TRENDnet AC1200 Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet located close to your main Wi-Fi router. Allow a few moments for the LED indicator lights to stabilize, signaling that the extender has powered on successfully and is now ready for setup. Using your smartphone, tablet, or computer, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings menu and scan for available networks. Locate a network with a name similar to TRENDnet_EXT. Select it and establish a connection to proceed with the manual setup process. Once connected, open a web browser and type http://2-822.drew or 192.168.10.1 in the address bar, then press enter. This action will direct you to the TRENDnet extender setup page, where you can begin the configuration process. If prompted, enter the default login credentials provided in the user manual, typically admin for both. You will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your existing Wi-Fi network from the options. Enter your Wi-Fi password, then decide whether to keep the same network name or create a new one. Once the setup process is successfully completed, unplug the TRENDnet AC1200 Wi-Fi extender and reposition it to an optimal location, ideally midway between your main Wi-Fi router and the area experiencing a weak signal, ensuring better coverage and connectivity. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of expert professionals is ready to help. Feel free to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll ensure a smooth setup process for you. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the manual setup of the TRENDnet AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.